Okay, so going back to this one, we came up with negative 10. So f of negative 2 equals negative 10. Now here, we're just going to plug in 0 where the x is. So f 4 times 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. So f of 0 is negative 2. F of 3, I'd like to write out the sentence. So we're going to plug in 4 times 3 minus 2. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. F of 3 is 10. Okay? Then we have what is fx equals 2? We're just going to make the equation fx minus 2 equals 2. And then we just do our algebra. So we add 2 to both sides. So 4x equals 4. 4x, you have to divide both sides by 4, which gives you 1. Okay? Now, we're going to graph the linear functions. And so here we have our formula. So we're going to go 2 times negative 2, which is x, plus 1. Then we're going to go 2 times 0 plus 1. We're going to have 2 times 2 plus 1. And we have 2 times 4 plus 1. Okay, so I like to do the math over here so that I can see what I'm doing. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus 1 is negative 3, and that's what y is, okay? So 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we're going to plot them. So we're going to go negative 2, because it's negative, and down negative 3. We're going to go 0, 1. We're going to go over 2, up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to do 4 is 9. So this is 5, 6, 4, excuse me. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then we're just going to draw a line. And we are going to label it y equals 2x plus 1. Okay? Easy peasy. All right? Now let's flip it over. And we are going to have to know, remember, y equals mx plus b. This is the slope. This is the y-intercept. So m is before the x, so that's negative 1/4. And the y-intercept is 3, okay? Now, the y-intercept is 3, so that's 3 on the y-axis, 2, 3. And this is negative 1 over 4, so we're going to go down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then you graph it. And you're going to write y equals negative 1/4 x plus 3. Now, another check is if it's negative, we know it leans this way. If it's positive, it goes this way, okay? And we know that the slope is negative. Now, we're going to write an equation to a line that is parallel to 1/2 x plus 1 and goes through negative 3, 2. Well, if it's parallel, we know it's going to have the same slope. So if we want to write an equation that's parallel, we know this is x and this is y. So we have y is 2 equals, we have the slope, which is 1/2, and we have x, which is negative 3, plus b, because that's the unknown, okay? So then we're going to go to, this becomes negative equals negative 3 over 2 plus b. So we want to add 3, 2 to both sides, 3 over 2. So this, I'm going to put over here, becomes 2 and 3/2 equals b. Now 3/2 is 1.5. So this is actually 3.5 equals b. Okay? So y, because you have to write the equation, y equals 1/2 x plus 3.5. Okay? Write an equation of line that is perpendicular to 1/2 x plus 1. So first of all, the slope has to be the opposite and a reciprocal. So the slope is this. So we know that the y is 3. So 3 equals -2 over 1, and x is 6 plus b. So 3 equals -2 times 6 is -12 over 1 plus b. So we're going to add, and 12 over 1 is 12, so we're just going to add 12 to both sides. So 15 equals b. So the equation is y equals -2, and you can put it over 1, x plus 15. Now write an equation of any line that is parallel to y equals 5. So here, we want a parallel line. Say this is 5, right? So this is y equals 5. So I'm just going to say y equals 7. Because they both have a 0 slope. Okay? Now, that is the end of the review. I'm going to put this up for a little bit longer in case anybody wants to go back or wants to pause, if it makes sense. Okay? And remember, horizontal is a 0 slope, and vertical is an undefined slope. Okay? Thanks for listening.